Hey, we're off to see Uncle Frank. Let's have a little look how we are getting on. Sammy! Is it really not looking good over there, buddy?
Yeah.
There's the wing.
Right. Look at that.
Oh my god, there's nothing
Finished.
in there.
So I have to make that and put a piece here to go onto this, right? Then you go further. That's fine. So I've made the new piece for here as well. Okay. So
That's
now.
not looking good, is it? I thought it was all pretty solid
Well,
here.
so did I, mate. I started to clean it all up and do everything, and it went bang. Look at that. There. That's nothing. Then look inside. Look.
Is that way worse than the other side?
Yeah. That's bad.
And this is underneath the new metal that's on the other side.
Underneath there. You can see my finger, alright?
Yeah.
There. Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
How do you get around
I
that
have to
then?
do everything. I have to make seconds. Look, I've just made some. So yeah, this goes here, and then from the inside I'll weld onto here. Alright?
Yeah.
So I've got to put another piece like this side, so it goes, because this is the strength, man. Look, there's nothing there. This whole thing was nearly coming off the body. Look. Look inside. Give me the light. Nothing. You've seen the light now. Now look, the whole thing is gone here. Look. Right, all this from the end. This has had a floor pan, and they made a mess of it. You can see where they put the floor pan. Can you see the floor pan there? And they put the floor pan underneath. They haven't even welded it onto the body properly. Yeah. So I've made this section to go there.
Yeah.
All right. Can you see it?
Yeah.
And then I'm making another section right from here to here. I'm going to make another section completely here.
Should
From
we
here.
not just buy a new floor panel
No,
for
it's
this?
a big job to take the floor pan out, mate. Massive job.
You think it's going to be better to like repair all of this
floor pan
then?
will be a big job, mate. Seriously, I'm telling you, you can see. You can see why it's taken me so long. Inside there is full of shit.
Yeah,
Look at it. Can you see it?
Yeah.
I've got to take this, cut it down to here,
like
and
crumbs
pull
in
all
the
the fit. Pull it all out. Made that there for you. Okay? They don't call me Speedy Gonzalez for nothing.
Que horrible.
Flintstone, mate. Flintstone.
Oh yeah. Because there was a big hole, and that's basically sat right between my brake and clutch, and I could see the road going between my feet. It was proper Flintstone styling.
The sill, you know what? They've not even put any welding. They put rivets. Rivets.
Is that not good?
No, it's not. It's illegal. So I'm going to have to clean that and put a spot welds in between. Yeah.
This is probably something that got done in Italy, I should imagine, a long time ago.
Yeah.
By some more unscrupulous people.
I made the section for this. See the clamp?
Yeah.
And then that goes over the top.
And there's a piece goes behind that as well.
And this goes there. Alright? See that there?
Yeah.
And then this goes inside it there. Like that. Okay?
Yeah.
And then this goes on top of it. Alright? And then I've made the piece to go from there. I've made that piece. I've made this. And that goes from there to there. See that? Perfection.
These welds and everything will all just be smoothed off and...
Smooth off, and then you've got to put a little filler on it. You can't get away without a bit of filler.
I was at Recambio and
It's only 57 pounds.
every panel you can get.
57
like,
pounds for a floor pan, but the work involved.
I see.
Cut it right out to here, right up to there. Can you see where the cut is? It has to be right up to here, and then you have to put it in from underneath. There, look, this is the floor pan. Yeah, can you see it? That should be welded. So I've got to clean that and put welds there. And this will be done from the inside, and I still have to put a plate on the outside because this is coming out. I've got to put the jack here and take this section out. So it'll be a double plate for the strength of the jacking point.
A lot worse state than we were thinking it was.
I didn't even expect it when I looked at it. I knew that there was a plate going here, but I didn't think it was that bad. So I'm just going to cut this out from there, put a new section, take this out, slide it under, put the new one on right up to there to strengthen this whole plate, because you jack the car up with that.
Yeah.
So you see what people think, oh yeah, it's all easy. No, it's not. you start on these old cars, it's not yours alone. On any old car, not yours. So
Yeah.
you can say.
Well,
any Fiat is the same.
We always said, didn't we, that
Yeah.
there was always a chance that we were going to uncover
Uncover
more than
some,
we would
some
hope.
bad things. So then I'll make the plate right across here, and then from there I'll make a new plate right across the top here. Okay?
Yeah. Sorry.
That's all right. No.
Next
No,
time
don't
I'll
be sorry.
bring more beer.
It's me that you can see why it's taken me so long. Flintstone!
It is proper Flintstone mobile.
Bomberclad.
And all of that as well, the whole, that was just holes under there, wasn't
That
it?
will all be done. I've got to make a section there. And then I've got that ready to do the door. There's your new seat, yes. There you go.
Oh, it's got...
Okay, there's nothing you can do with this because they don't put anything in. If you touch your old seat, it's the same.
That's fine.
It's got the second seat.
But look at that.
Yes, puffed it up for you. Nice.
Because I was sat
And
on
he's
the...
doing the
That
same.
just went... Whoa,
Yeah,
before.
right? He's doing the same thing with the other one.
Oh, that's wicked.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice job, isn't it?
It is a nice job.
Yeah.
We're just really sorry that it looks as horrific down there as it
And
does.
there's one more hole you can see from here, yeah? You haven't seen it now. There's
Oh,
more
there's
hole
no
there.
more holes.
There, one more hole. Let me show you.
If this car gets any holier, I'm going to have to put it in the Bible or
Yeah,
something.
you'll have to go and have it christened by the priest. There, see another hole there in the corner?
all around the wheel arch.
Yeah,
All of these problems that we're finding
yeah.
is where it's been patched up,
Yeah,
but
patched
like
up
badly
badly.
patched
And when
up.
I find one, there was one that had half an inch of filler on it. Half an inch.
Well, that one at the front
The front
wing,
had that much.
yeah, because when it got
Yeah,
reversed
yeah.
into, it was like
Yeah,
that thick
yeah.
fell off.
And then when you put the hammer, and you start to crack it.
And
you
just
think,
boing, boing, boing.
There you go.
We're going to put all that right now.
It's all going to be right now. That's it.
It'll probably end up being more solid than it left the factory,
Yes,
wouldn't
you're
it?
right. Everybody should say the same. I've
mean,
got
that's-
the door here,
Rock hard.
right?
Coming.
I'm going to put a new piece here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And a new piece here in the corner.
Yeah.
Oh, there you
I
go.
can't watch. Because I guess, Frank, like what most people do here is, what's wrong with going out and buying a brand new door?
What's wrong with having it repaired properly? Look.
No, no. I can hear Sammy crying.
Filler. And look at the shit coming out there. Filler. You see what I have to put up with? So now I know what's good. So that all goes there. And there's more filler going right through. Now the filler has stopped. Okay? And you see I've got to clean all these where the water come out. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. So
And then
there's a
you
channel
Yeah, well,
there.
look what's come out of there. Look at the filler piece here, the filler piece. Filler. Like a pig's ear, isn't it?
Yeah. They made a pig's ear out of that, Frank. They really did.
Alright, and you can tell this is again going to be the same look. Alright.
That's not a pretty picture. But you know, it is a 40-year-old car.
No, of course it is, that's what I'm saying. And when you do them, you'll have a good another 5, 10 years out of this car.
10 years?
If not
I
more.
want another 30,
Yeah,
mate.
yeah, small dents and scratches. I don't get a buzz out of that at all.
So basically-
you give me a complete side smashed up and I'd repair it. That's where my buzz comes.
So you're getting a high off of this car
Always.
because
That-
it is in
that
such
when
a
it's
bad
finished,
state.
yeah, when I finish this, I'm thinking, right, I've done it.
Frank and I were having this chat, and he was saying that, like, I said it must have been really gutting when you came across all these holes there, but no,
Giving me now
it's
to
brilliant.
work my brain how to make all the sections.
Oh, look at that!
Yeah,
Look,
the whole lot.
that is just-
Can you see it through? Dangerous. Very dangerous.
well, to everybody that I've ever given a lift to in my car before, I'm really sorry. I didn't know we were in a death trap. But that's made you happy.
Yes.
Yay! Loads of extra work,
If
and
people
it's
didn't
really
have
going to be a
this, I
challenge.
wouldn't be in business, would I?
Proper old school, and this is the labour of love that it is, and that's why it's called a labour of love. Oh, brilliant. Well, it's always lovely to come and see what I go on in with Sammy and catch up with you on